Hey, this is Jeff with Eternity Shore, and the Admiral is actually holding the GoPro because we don't have a little stick with us. But if you recall, if you watched one of our previous videos, when we went to Rock Hall, I mentioned that we don't have like a tender or a way to get from the boat to shore if we're anchoring out. Well, we went ahead and bought something. Um, and we're going to unpack it right now and take a look at it.
Right there. That's us right there.
Mary and I are a team. This is a team lift for your safety. Notice how they're doing
Bend
this.
with your knees, not your
Heavy
back.
object.
The unboxing.
Whoa, look at that.
The Intex Mariner 3.
Shall I get a scissors?
Yeah. All right, so the box includes, this is the floor.
Oars.
Mary's holding the
Oars that go with-
oars.
3 pieces.
And that's the third piece. So we're gonna separate it and we'll put it in the car. We'll see how this works tomorrow. Free of debris.
I like the turquoise, right?
Right, so these are the seats.
Right. After.
After. All right, one. It's over there.
Tired already. This is so much fun.
You're getting there. Okay, hold on a second. Now we may have to put in start putting in the floor. All right, Mary's going to try to do the other side, and I'm going to try to make
Cheer
sure.
me on.
Yeah, there's the look. All right, where is it? There's a little thing that helps us see if it's inflated correctly. A little ruler, as it were. Oh. Wow,
That matches.
that matches. All right, so
Okay. I'm not doing any extra pumping.
no. Perfect. Right. All right, this is the last valve is for the, what are they calling this?
Keel?
The keel, yeah. So it's gonna inflate the keel. I gotta get off.
It'd be harder to inflate.
Yeah, it'll be hard to inflate with my
Extra
big butt on there.
poundage. That part was easy.
Nice. What were you saying?
I said, look at our little baby boat. Our big boat had a baby boat.
Yep. Now tomorrow we're gonna figure out how to put it back here. Okay, so good morning. Our task this morning is to get our Mariner 3
in some sort of way that works affixed to the transom here.
Well,
If it pulls that way, that's not a problem.
right.
So we're trying to get an egress for Mary to get in and out of the boat, but yet still having this attached.
I mean, I could probably do it a little tighter.
You still have more space? All right, go tighter.
How it's gonna do when we're underway.
So this is what it looks like from the helm looking back. Looks nice. Looks like we know what we're doing.
It's nice to tell.
Until it falls off.
Right.
Tell me when I'm clear back there, as best as you can tell.
You're clear.
All right. Got out. Very calm day so far. Do you know what time it is?
It is 8:44.
How's the chicken tender doing?
So far, so good.
All right, we're about to use our Mariner 3 for the first time. So we're gonna unhook it here from the swim platform and see how that works. Okay, now it's in the water. So,
Backpack.
yeah. Do you want to put a person in first? You want to go in first?
Sure.
Okay. How you feeling? Okay. Yeah, right.
I need your foot out of the way. Bye.
Okay.
Bye, Eternity Shore.
Stay there. All right. Take me to your leader.
Now, where do you think we should head?
Just go straight in. All right, so we're gonna do Hart Mill around.
No. Not anytime soon.
Yeah. One at a time.
I gotta figure out my direction.
Well, yeah, you gotta do both at the same time, or else.
No, I know. I just spun a little.
Okay.
I feel like these should be closer to me. Okay.
There you go.
Straight now.
Yes.
Oh, no, no, no. All right, there we go.
We're getting there.
I'm a little used to kayaking.
Right.
This is totally different.
It is totally different. Hey, you're doing great. There's a boat. You're doing great. You're just banging us to the sea. Here we go.
All right. Oh, look at the dog.
Left one. We're gonna hit soon. I'll hop out. Right one. Nice. Okay, keep the oars up. You want to do this?
Had cup holders. I did it.
Yes, you did.
Look how far we are.
Yeah. Way out there. Okay, so we're shoeing. Brought a towel to clean off all the sand and put our socks and shoes on. We have been on Hart Mill Island before. We've been, you know, we pulled up the boat several times. We've done a lot of what these people are doing here, but this is the first time that we're actually going onto the island. We're here. We're trying to get there. So let's see how that works. That's kind of cool. Right.
Right?
Right. No, left.
I love to spin.
Alright, good work. Together. Now you might be wondering, why doesn't Jeff do any of this?
I was wondering that same thing. I didn't get my Saturday morning workout yet.
Left. Part of the issues, I have neck and arm issues that I deal with. As much as I'd like to do this, it would probably destroy me for the rest of the day.
I don't mind, really. Just having trouble controlling.
No,
the
you're doing
direction.
great. You're doing great. This is a lot harder because we're going against the current. All right. I'm gonna try to do right. Now it's gonna push us away. All right, do left once, left again. Okay, don't do any more. Maybe right once gently. Maybe right once.
It's right there.
You know, it's not. We're not gonna make it. Oh, maybe we will. Okay, you're right there. If you just grab that Okay, let's... Okay. So do you have any opinion about it?
Well, this was the first time. First time at anything is always tricky. So we just need to figure out what our little system's going to be to get it on and off and get into it, etc. But the boat itself is great, right?
Yeah, I think so.
It's comfortable, plenty big.
I think this size is perfect, really, for the two of us. The Mariner 3 is perfect for two people.
It feels very stable. It's not tippy.
Yeah, well, and we had a good bit of wake on the way back and on the way there. So that's good
Yes, we
news.
did.